What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. Today we're doing some work on the car. Car's locked and loaded, ready to go. I tried to put it in the center of the garage as much as possible. We got everything aired up, but of course we're gonna get it up on jacks first. But I'm waiting for Aaron till he gets here, only because I don't want to have any accident while I'm alone putting up the car. So we got Aaron on the way. We got the car started up very nicely. While we wait till Aaron gets here, let's take a look at the new air suspension hardware from Airlift Performance. Shout out to Airlift Performance again for sending me the hardware. Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited to put this on the car. So already we got the Airlift Performance 3P management, dual compressor with the small tank. I didn't want to go with the big tank because it just looked too bulky in the setup. So we already have Airlift Performance management, but what we got coming in today, these are the fronts and those are going to be the rears. Now this one's going to be a fun one because we're going to have to disassemble the interior because, or actually let's do it from here. Because in order to access the rear, we're gonna have to be diving right under where the speaker is. Don't mind my dog's hair, but we're gonna have to dive under here because that's where we're gonna be accessing the hardware. So yeah, this is gonna be hard because I'm 6 foot, 275 pounds, and the Nissan GTR interior is not the most spacious. G. All right. What happened? What happened? Oh, what the hell?
The hood was actually folded up, but I stuck a piece of wood here and just like flattened it.
Yeah.
Just so that I can close it. Okay, you know what the actual wild part? Everything that's broken, I've been planning on replacing. That's bumper, hood, and everything in front. Anyways, his bumper is this high, exactly this high.
Oh my god, it's like a shark bit through this thing. Well, the build lives on. Just a minor fender bender, nothing crazy. All right, it doesn't take that long to undo the interior of the Nissan GTR R35. It's a lot easier if you were to take out the front seats. If you're like my size or even like Aaron's size, we could barely fit. So let's just put it this way. If you weigh over 200 pounds, I'd suggest that if you're installing any suspension on the GTR, just take out the front seats. It's hot and cramped. It's like really hot and cramped in there. But we got the interior all broken down right over here. That's where we're gonna access the rear struts, and then me and Aaron is gonna throw the car up. All right, we got the car up in the air. We're gonna be doing the fronts first. Maybe we get this done by tonight. It depends. Yes. Aaron says yes. Yeah, we took the bumper off. Just to show you guys, we're running with the universal air suspension. We're taking that off because it's just the bag on top of the stock struts. We're gonna get the new hardware in. Also, I have decided that the car is gonna be going to dyno without any of the new body parts. So no bumper, no front end, no rear caps, none of it. We're just gonna have it full on Frankenstein dyno. So be on the lookout for that, but let's get this airlift in. All right, we got the first one in. So we're very stubborn when it comes to installs. Had we read the manual, we would have gotten this done a lot faster. Basically, we're shimmying a lot of the upper control arm, everything down here. The ticket to easiness would have just been undoing this bolt right here so that we can undo the rotor. But we kind of want to make things a little bit more fun. So don't be like us, because we like to have fun, but just doing things ourselves without reading the manual. But next time, read the manual. So we're gonna switch over to the passenger's front side, and then probably we're just gonna call it a night. Tell me not, I'm a freaking genius.
Yo! That's banging.
All right, the time now is 7:38. Time starts now. Oh, that was easy.
Ryobi, if you're listening,
Best
you
in
know,
the game.
I mean, you know,
Better than Milwaukee.
pretty good right here. We both could use some tools, just saying.
All right, everything's in. What time is it? 7:51, baby. Don't learn from us.
Learn from us. Don't
Learn from
what
our,
we did.
learn from our mistakes. Don't actually learn what we do. Learn what not to do. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it holds air.
For those of you wondering, I believe that's something like a 1/2 inch NPT. So NPT is actually a taper. So the tighter you turn it, technically the more sealing it has. However, you can over tighten it because you can expand the threads too much. But Lance is right now putting air in it. Hopefully we don't see any bubbles. So Lance, what PSI we at?
130.
Oh. Damn, okay.
The most I usually go is 140 from the old bag setup. Anything?
There does not appear to be any bubbles. I don't hear hissing on the other side either, but we'll check the other side.
Yeah, let's go check the other side.
You're tragic.
Like what your motto says, right? Give them hell.
Unfortunately, not what I meant. Also, no bubble. I don't even hear anything. So.
Cherry. Cherry. Okay, so recap, just so you guys know. Number one, read the manual.
Yes.
Don't be like us. Learn from our mistakes. This is the salvation to all our problems. As soon as you guys get this out, all of this right here will just come right down. You can just pull the struts and you're just zipping everything in what, 15 minutes?
That was a solid 15 minutes.
For now, we're just gonna have the fronts. It's already late. Aaron has work tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. So probably tomorrow or probably in the next couple of days, we're gonna go ahead and do the rear. And then we're just gonna slam the car. You can see the car slammed already, but we're just gonna have it all like fully set up. We're just gonna get everything situated so that come dyno day, we have everything nice and tidy. We don't wanna have anything sketched out. We want everything to be perfect. That way, after we're done with the dyno, guys, we're sending it to paint. And then the car is done. Done. But thank you, bro. Well, I guess that's that. We got the fronts done today. The good thing I remembered to do this because I almost forgot to do an outro from today's vlog. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Before I end today's vlog though, I just wanted to do, I guess, a little appreciation for you guys. I think I want to start doing this a little bit more often with my videos, just to give like a huge shout out to all of you guys that interact with all of my videos, whether you guys are dropping comments, whether you guys are liking the video or even sharing it on you guys' socials. I really appreciate you guys for doing that. So first person says, keep up the good work, bro. Thank you to, oh, I didn't read the name. His name is Holy Sheet. Thanks, bro. This one comes from Fighter 1863. It says, can't wait for the color reveal. If you guys been following me on TikTok, I have said it before. I don't know if I mentioned that in any of my other videos, but I did comment to one very special person on one of my TikTok videos, and I actually said what color the car is gonna be. If you guys want to go dig through it, go right ahead. But that's gonna be that's like finding a needle in a haystack. So if you guys really want to know what the color of the car is gonna be, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well. This comment comes from OG Savage from my last video I just posted. He says, sucks about the rear wheels. Can't wait to see the car all done. Just a quick update, the tires are already being shipped. Well, I know the rears are already being shipped. I don't know where the other two are yet. Like, I haven't gotten anything as far as like if they're gonna be coming in or like even a date of when they're arriving, but I know when the rears are arriving. So that's a plus. I'm pretty sure by the time when all the tires come in, then we'll have the air suspension all dialed in. The car is going to be going up and down a lot for the next few weeks, only because there's a lot of stuff that we got to be doing underneath. So be on the lookout for all those types of content that we're going to be making. I am going to go Frankenstein at the dyno, so I hope you guys stick around for that. But yeah, this is part one to doing the air suspension for the GTR. Honestly, I'm just trying to do the best that I can with whatever resources I have, whatever time I have. But the car will be done. I thank you guys for sticking around. I know you guys have been so patient, and if you guys are following this build from the very beginning of when we even got the kit in, you know, building a car is going to take a lot of patience. So I really appreciate you guys for really just sticking around, watching the videos. But we'll get this done. If you guys haven't done so already, please drop a comment, smash the like button. It'll really help, you know, just push the video out for whoever wants to see it. And the more that we get to grow the channel, you know, the more that, you know, maybe we could do even more builds down the line. You know, that's honestly the dream. I say it many times now. The dream is just to build cool cars, and I really want to keep doing that. But you know, we're just having fun doing whatever we can right now. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stick around for the next one. If you guys haven't done so, hit the bell for the post notifications and subscribe. Hit the like button as well. Drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.